Could you please tell me the meanings of have in English? When do we use it?
Uh, Present.
Okay. What else? What is the meaning of have?
Uh, have
The meaning of have.
meaning of have means चाहिए.
Okay. What else? Here it is. Last time as I taught you here, the meanings of have in English is what we are using meaning for have for possession. Yes or no? Point number one, we are using have for possession. As you can see over here, have we are using for, we have more than 7 to 8 meanings of have in English. Point number one, we are using have for possession means what? For property. For example, he has a car, I have a car, I have a pen, I have a bungalow, etc. Correct? So we are using have for possession. Next one, we use have for eating and drinking. Eating and drinking as well. For example, I don't know. I don't know. Just a minute, please. Mr. Wajid has some problems to join class. Yeah, let's go. So as you can see over here, last time I was teaching you about our possession, property, eating and drinking and all, where we use have for different purposes. As you can see over here, we can use have for have lunch, have a party, have a lesson, have a cup of tea, have a cup of coffee, have a shower, etc. For example, eating के लिए lunch, eating के लिए drinking के लिए हम लोग have use कर सकते हैं. For example, I have lunch, I have dinner, I have breakfast, I have a meal, I have something to eat. Then we can use have for drinking as well. For example, I have tea, I have coffee, I have a drink, I have a sandwich, I have an ice cream, I have some cheese, etc. Next, for the other purpose, for the other ideas and expressions also, we use their have. For example, I have a party, I have a meeting, I have a competition, I have a game of football, I have a match, I have a lesson, I have an exam, I have some homework, I have an appointment, I have a party, I have a shower, I have a bath, I have a swim, I have a sauna. So we are using have for different purposes. Last time we have seen here that we are using have for some expressions and for activities and for ideas as well. For example, is that a camera? Can I have a look? क्या मैं देख सकता हूँ? Means what? Can I have a look? क्या मैं देख सकता हूँ? So means what? Can I have a look? Next, is that your bicycle? Can I have a go? क्या ये आपकी bicycle है? क्या मैं एक ride ले सकता हूँ? So instead of saying can I have a ride, we can say can I have a go, or can I take a ride? People say can I take a ride? So we can say there can I have a ride or can I go? Next one, goodbye, have a good journey. We can say while going, for example, goodbye, have a good journey, have a nice day. So we are using have here for expressions, for ideas, for activities. एक्टिविटी मीन्स व्हाट? ऐसी चीज होती है जिसको हम लोग ना देख सकते हैं ना जिसको हम लोग टच कर सकते हैं. वी कैन जस्ट फील इट. उसको हम लोग सिर्फ और सिर्फ फील कर सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट एन एक्टिविटी. सो आई हैव, let's we can say like for example, have a good journey, have sweet dreams, have good have good luck. So we can say have good luck. अब good luck दिखता है क्या? No, we can just say and we can just feel it. Have a good journey. Can we see the journey right now? No. we can just feel it. It is kind of an activity. Same case, have a nice day. It is kind of an activity. Next, do you have a moment? यहाँ पर do you have a moment का मतलब क्या है? कि आपके पास में थोड़ा टाइम है. So do you have a moment? We are using have for time as well. For example, do you have a moment? We can say, do you have 2 days? I have only 2 days to complete my task. I have 3 days to submit my project. So we are using have for time as well. Next, can I have a word with you? Means what? Can I have a conversation with you? मतलब मैं क्या मैं आपके साथ में बात कर सकता हूँ? So can I have a word with you? Next, we always have a good time in our English lesson. So we can use have for time as well, as I've told you before as well. That can I have a time? Can we have a good time with you? Or do I always have a good time in our English lessons? I always have a good time with my family. I have a good time with my training. I have a good time with the company. I have a good time in lunch. Next, for example, I'm going to have my haircut. See you later. Now I'm going to have my haircut. I'm going to have a haircut. So we can use haircut is what like an activity for the activities where you are using their have. I want to skip, but I don't have the time. So again, we are using have for time. I don't have the time. I have the time and I don't have the time. Next one. So this time already we have finished with this one with expressions with have and all. Now we are going to have here have plus got. Many of you might have seen the people are saying that have got. Yes or no? How many of you have this heard this one before? Have plus got. Like for example, we say I have a car. Correct? Some people say I have got a car. If you see there, I have a car and I've got a car. Both are the same. So what's the difference between them? Could you please tell me? What's the difference between them? Anyone?
Was
Mr.
got
Zubair, Mr. Wajid,
got
Mr. Adib, Miss Adifa, that Mr. Rohit, Mr. Omer.
got
Yes,
this day. In this second statement, you got. That is the verb.
Got is past.
I'm asking what's the difference. I'm asking you what's the difference between both the sentences.
So I have a car means मेरे पास कार है. I have got a car मतलब मुझे कार मिली है, जैसे मेरी फ्रेंड के पास से या कुछ.
ऐसे लोग translate करते हैं, but that translation is wrong. I'll tell you now. If you see there, I have a car. This sentence is perfectly formal sentence. And I have got a car. It is an informal sentence. Means what? Literally, formal means what over here? I have a car. We are using this sentence in written English. For writing, it is absolutely correct. And I have got a car. It is an informal sentence means what? We can just use it in speaking, but not in writing actually. Now, for example, I have a car. I've got a car. लोग translation करके उसको लगता है कि वो मुझे कार मिली है, but उसका meaning वैसा नहीं है. उसका meaning same है. Both have the same meaning, but the difference between I have a car and I've got a car is what? I have a car is a formal sentence and I've got a car is an informal sentence. We can just use it. Now I'll tell you why and how. I have a car. British people say this, but I have got a car. American people this say this one. दोनों में कुछ भी difference नहीं है. दोनों भी सेम ही है, कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है उनके बीच में. नाउ एज यू कैन सी हियर, आई हैव गॉट प्लस इनफॉर्मल स्पीकिंग इक्वल्स हैव राइटिंग फॉर्मल. हैव एंड हैव गॉट दोनों भी सेम है, कुछ भी नहीं है. दोनों के चोचले सिर्फ इतना है, अमेरिकन एंड ब्रिटिश. दैट्स इट, नथिंग एल्स. इज दैट क्लियर? Now, for example, we can say, I've got 3 sisters. Have you got any brothers and sisters? So, we can say here, I've got 3 sisters. I have 3 sisters. This is also correct. Or if I say I have got 3 sisters, it is also correct. Both are the same. Is that clear? So I've got 3 sisters. Have you got any brothers and sisters? Could you please give me some sentences like this? I've got 3 sisters. Bye Ben Manayishini.
I've got a project. I've got project.
I've got a project. Now, for example, I've got 3 sisters. Have you got any brothers and sisters? Next one. My house is big. It's got 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. My house is big. It's got 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This is my charger and it's got a different cable. Now, for example, this is my phone box and it's got a nice chipset inside. This is my satchel and it's got 5 zips. This is my bottle. It's got a bottle cork. So it's got, okay, मतलब इसके पास में है. This is my speaker. It's got a hanger. It's got a hanger. Next one, we've got 10 minutes before the train goes. We can say that I have 10 minutes before the train goes, or we have got 10 minutes before the train goes. Both are the same. Could you please give me some sentence with have got? Have got with anything. For example, I've got 3 sisters. I've got 5 uncles. Yes, continue.
I have bike and bike.
I've got a bike. Please do if you unmute yourself and make sentences now.
My
I've got.
project is a big. It has 300 notes. It have a 300 notes.
It has got.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a car. It has a 2 seats only.
It has got 2 seats.
I have a mobile. It has got one cover.
Very good. It has got 1 cover. Next, Mr. Zubair.
I have mobile. It has got one cable wire lock.
Very good. Yes, ma'am.
सर मेरी समझ नहीं आ रही है.
It is simple. See, I have 3 sisters, correct?
हाँ.
Same. I have got 3 sisters. दोनों में कुछ भी फर्क नहीं है, सिर्फ फर्क इतना है. I have 3 sisters. ये फॉर्मल सेंटेंस है.
ईटिंग और
मेरे
ड्रिंकिंग,
office
वो ईटिंग और ड्रिंकिंग के साथ इसको कैसे हम यूज कर सकते
मैं आपको रिकॉर्डिंग दूंगा, उसके अंदर मिलेगा आपको. वो एक्चुअली पुराना टॉपिक है हमारा, उसको भी फिलहाल में छोड़ दो. उसका मैं आपको दूंगा, तो उसके अंदर आप कवर कर सकती हैं उसको. आप एक बार देखेंगे उस रिकॉर्डिंग को ना, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि कहाँ पे कैसा क्या यूज करना है उसको. अभी फिलहाल में आप इसके साथ में सेंटेंस बना दीजिए. अभी जो आपके पास में, फॉर एग्जांपल मैं बोल सकता हूँ, आई हैव गॉट अ फोन. मेरे पास एक फोन है. आई हैव गॉट अ स्पीकर. नाउ शी हैज गॉट अ कार. ही हैज गॉट अ बंगलो. उसके पास में बंगलो है.
I have a
Yes.
dress. I have got a dress.
Correct. I've got a dress. Next one, Rohit.
I have an activity.
Correct. I've got an activity.
I've got a job.
Good.
I
Yes.
have t-shirt. It has got 2 buttons.
Very good.
I have got pass.
Very good. I've got a pass. Next one. Zubair bhai, where are you now?
I am in this session.
Really?
Yes.
I couldn't see you. I see you in the garden.
I have got laptop.
Very good. I've got a laptop. Now you can make sentences like this. For example, I have got, you have got, we have got, they have got, and he has got, she has got, it has got. Okay? Good. Could you please give me some sentences like this?
He
I
has
have
break.
bike.
Good. He has got a car. Or we have got a
Got.
car.
Car.
Yeah, give me sentences now. Rohit.
I have a bike. It has 2 keys. It has got 2 keys.
Correct. It has got 2.
we have
Okay.
got vacancy. Vaccine.
Very good. The company has got a vacancy. Next. Next. Ma'am makes sentences. Mr. Zubair makes sentences.
I have got a home. It has a one key.
Very good. Aha.
He has got vaccine.
Very good. He's got vaccine. Next.
I have a flat. It has got 3 balconies.
Very good. I've got a flat. It has got 3 balconies. Next. Next. Could you make some scenario like this with siblings? I've got 3 siblings. I've got 4 brothers. Yes.
I have got a sofa. It has a 3 pillow.
pillows.
Yes.
Yes,
I have got a chopper. It has two pilots.
it has got two pilots. Yes, ma'am.
I have flat. It has. I have living room. It has two fans.
It has
It
got two
has got
fans.
two fans.
Both are correct. It has two fans. It has got two fans. Yes, ma'am.
सर नहीं आ रही समझ मेरे।
I have bike. It has got a 2 liter petrol.
लेकर कंफ्यूज कैसे हो रही है? अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताइए, आपको हैव का मीनिंग क्या पता है आपको अब तक के?
हैव मतलब मेरे पास है।
बस वही बोलना है आपको, खाली सिर्फ उधर गॉट लगाना है बस, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं है।
आई हैव अ पेन एंड आई गॉट नहीं आ रहा समझ मेरे को।
आई हैव गॉट अ पेन।
यस
have a
आई
pen.
हैव गॉट अ पेन और इट
Simple.
हैज
और ही शी इट के साथ में हैज लगता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही हैज अ पेन, करेक्ट? आई हैव अ पेन। सेम केस, जब सेंटेंस बनेगा ही शी इट के साथ में तो वहां पर लगेगा शी हैज अ पेन। सिंपल। ही शी इट के साथ में हैज लगता है, हैव नहीं लगता उनके साथ में। सिंपल। यस।
I have wallet. I have got a wallet. It has got 10 rupees.
Ah, very nice, very nice. Next. Wajid bhai, make sentences please.
I have bike. It has got a petrol.
Correct. I've got a bike. It has got a petrol. It has got petrol. Next.
I have got dining table. It has got two chairs. Chairs.
Correct.
I have a stove. It has got a 3 burner.
Very good. Okay. See, have a look here. अब यहाँ पर
I
ध्यान
have a
दीजिए आप
got
लोग।
cluster. It has a 300 nodes.
Ah, very nice. I've got a cluster. It has got 300 nodes. Okay, please read it here. As you can see in this- Have you got a pen? अब मुझे पूछना है, समझो, मुझे एक बात मुझे बताइए। अब मुझे किसी को पूछना है कि आपके पास में है क्या, तो हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Do you have? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, sir.
आपके पास में पेन है? उसको हम लोग दूसरा तरीका क्या है पूछने का? अब सी, मुझे आप लोग को सिंपल से एक चीज बताता हूँ, ऐसा क्यों है। कितने लोग ऐसे सोच रहे हैं यार, जब एक ऑलरेडी सेंटेंस ऐसा था, आई हैव 3 सिस्टर्स, तो उसको आई हैव गॉट जबरदस्ती गॉट क्यों लगाने का? कितने लोग सोच रहे हैं ऐसे?
आज सर
Yes,
यही
I am.
सोच रही हूँ।
Yes, sir. ma'am.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am also.
करेक्ट, यही सोच रहे हैं ना आप?
Yes.
था तो उसको जबरदस्ती गॉड बीट लगाने की जरूरत क्या है? उसको जरूरत उसकी ये है, अब मैं आपको यहाँ पर आंसर दे रहा हूँ, उसका जरूरत ये है, उसकी जरूरत आपको इंशाल्लाह पता चलने वाली है जल्दी, क्योंकि मैं आप लोग का एक टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ। अगर आप लोग छुट्टी मारना बंद करें तो मैं आप लोग का एक टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ, मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी। इंग्लिश इज अ वेरी इजी लैंग्वेज। व्हाई इजी? बिकॉज इंग्लिश हैज मेनी अल्टरनेटिव्स। इंग्लिश के अंदर इतने ज्यादा अल्टरनेटिव्स हैं। आई टेल यू नाउ हाउ। अंदर जब हम लोग आते हैं स्कूल के अंदर, बराबर ना, क्लास में हम लोग अंदर जाते थे तो हम लोग बोलते क्या थे वहां पर?
May I
I come in.
May
sir.
I come in?
मे आई कम इन? क्या मैं अंदर आऊं सर? है ना? मैडम,
Can I come in?
Can I come?
करेक्ट। यहाँ पर मे की जगह अगर मे, मुझे मे नहीं यूज करना है। अभी फॉर एग्जांपल मे के साथ में रोहित का हो गया झगड़ा, अब मे यूज करना नहीं है उसको, तो क्या यूज कर सकता है रोहित?
Can I
Can.
come in?
करेक्ट, कैन आई कम इन, बराबर।
Yes.
अब वाजिद भाई
Yes,
बोले
sir.
मेरे को ना
Shall I
मे
come?
चाहिए, कैन चाहिए, अब क्या यूज करेंगे हमें?
Shall I come?
शैल आई कम इन, क्या मैं अंदर आऊं? नहीं, मुझे इसी के साथ में चाहिए, पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए परमिशन मांग रहे हैं हम लोग किसी से।
नहीं
किसी,
आप रिपीट नहीं समझे।
मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ सर, अब हम लोग परमिशन मांगने के लिए पूछते हैं, बराबर ना सर? मे आई
Yes.
कम इन? यस और नो?
Yes.
Ultimately we are asking for permission, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes.
So if I'm asking for permission, so I use there may I come in, correct? क्या मैं
Yes.
अंदर आ सकता हूँ? आऊं क्या? नहीं, आ सकता हूँ। can I come in? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? परमिशन मांग रहा हूँ मैं, ये राइट?
Yes, sir.
उसके अलावा और क्या बोल सकता हूँ मैं?
May I have come in?
कैसे पिका come in?
Might.
Correct. Might I
Can I
come in?
come?
क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? ये हुआ ना कैन आई कम? सेकंड
Yes.
might I
Yes.
Might have a
or
come in.
no?
Could I come?
Correct. Exactly. Could I come in? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? तो मतलब बताने का मुझे ये है, सिंपल सी बात है, सिंपल सी बात है। इन इंग्लिश एक रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए, एक परमिशन के लिए वहां पर चार चार अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस हैं। आप कुछ भी बोलो, कोई भी आपको मना नहीं करेगा। अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे यार ये कैसे सेंटेंस है माइट आई कम इन? आप लोगों ने सुना नहीं रहेगा, बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
नहीं
वो इसलिए नहीं सुना क्योंकि आपने इधर यहाँ पे यूज होता नहीं है, वो अपने यहाँ पे यूज होता नहीं है। क्यों नहीं यूज होता? क्योंकि अपने इधर लोगों को मालूम नहीं है। अपने यहाँ पे जो लोग हैं वो फास्टली वाले लोग हैं, वो लोग को इतना अंदर डीप में पता नहीं है। सो जस्ट फॉर वन परमिशन you can say may I come in, you can say might I come in, you can say can I come in, you can say could I come in। कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, सबका मीनिंग सेम है। में बोलने के लिए एक सेंटेंस को अलग अलग तरीके हैं। इट इज द सेम केस एज यू कैन सी हियर। डू यू हैव अ पेन? डू यू हैव अ पेन? अब यही सेंटेंस को बोलने के लिए मेरे पास एक और तरीका है, वो क्या है? हैव यू
Got a
गॉट
pen.
पेन? क्या आपके पास में पेन है? सेम, दोनों में कुछ भी फर्क नहीं है, सिर्फ अल्टरनेटिव है उसका, सिर्फ और सिर्फ अल्टरनेटिव है। मैंने भी आप लोगों को एक ही बात बताया। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई ड्रिंक कॉफी, राइट? करेक्ट।
Yes.
Yes, sir.
इसकी जगह पे मैं और क्या बोल सकता हूँ इंग्लिश में?
Have you
मैम ध्यान।
drink? Have you drink coffee?
अरे भाई सेंटेंस ही बनाओ, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं। आई ड्रिंक कॉफी, ड्रिंक की जगह पे मैं क्या यूज कर सकता हूँ अजित भाई?
Have.
I have drink.
एग्जैक्टली, आई हैव। सो आई
Can I
हैव
have coffee? I have.
आई हैव कॉफी। सिंपल, उसको कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मत बनाइए, सिंपल सी चीज है। आई ड्रिंक कॉफी, करेक्ट? मैं कॉफी पीता हूँ, तो मैंने ड्रिंक हटाया, उसकी जगह पे हैव लगाया, मीनिंग सब सेम है, मीनिंग एग्जैक्टली सेम है। हम लोग इंग्लिश में हैव यूज कर सकते हैं ड्रिंकिंग के लिए भी। यस नो?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
इज हियर।
Yes, sir.
I drink coffee or I have coffee. Both are correct. Same case. For example, I eat a mango. I eat a
have.
mango. मैं mango खाता हूँ, correct? Eating की जगह पे और क्या यूज कर सकते हैं हम लोग वर्ड?
I
Have.
have a mango.
Correct. I have a mango मतलब यानी मैं मैंगो खाता हूँ। सिंपल, समझ में आया मैम?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा था मतलब उसका। तो मतलब इंग्लिश इतनी इजी लैंग्वेज है। Why? Because it has many alternatives. It has many alternatives. बहुत सारे alternatives है उसके अंदर। So as you can see here, एक permission के लिए चार चार sentence खड़े हो गए यहाँ पर। Simple. So do you have a pen? उसकी जगह पे हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Have you got a pen? Have you got a pen? Okay. Can you please give me some
Pen.
sentence like have you got? Have you got? I want you to make sentences like this. Have you got? Have you got senses?
Have you got a
Have you
key?
got brain? है कि नहीं? Yes, continue.
Have you got a blazer?
Have you got a blazer?
Have you got a missed call?
Ah, very good. Have you got a missed call? कशी कशी आठवण येते बघा आपल्याला. Yeah. Have you got girlfriends? Yes, many.
Have you got assignments? Have you
Have you
got an
got-
assignment?
Correct.
Have
Mr.
you got
Wajid,
the application form?
very good.
Have you got the knowledge about this?
Have you got knowledge about it? Next,
Have you got the college name?
have you got your college name? All right. Next,
Have you got a ticket?
have you got a ticket? Next,
Have you got a news?
have you got news?
Have you got a tea?
Have you got tea? फेंको जल्दी जल्दी चलो, make sentences now faster.
Have you got a key?
Good,
Have you got a fair amount?
very good,
Have you got a notice?
good,
Have you got a mail?
good,
Have you got a sheet?
correct,
Have you got a laptop?
very good.
Have you
Do you
got a
have a laptop? Very good. Yes, Rohit.
Have you got a petrol?
Have you got petrol?
Have you got a gift?
Have you got a gift?
Very good. Ma'am,
Have
make
you got a
sentences.
Have you
parcel?
have you got a leaf?
Repeat once again.
Have you got a leaf?
Have you
Good. Have you got a lead? Continue.
सर मेरे को अब भी उसमें कंफ्यूज हो रहा है मेरे को उसमें कंफ्यूज ही हो रहा है मालूम नहीं क्यों समझ नहीं आ रहा मेरे
Have you
Do
got a
you
bank
have
application?
आप एक्चुअली वो गॉट आपने पहले कभी यूज किया है,
नहीं
इसीलिए आपको कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है। वो एक्चुअली गॉट जो है वो अमेरिकन लोग यूज करते हैं उनके इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के अंदर।
सर डू
और
यू
अपने
हैव अ पेन क्या तुम्हारे पास पेन है हैव यू गॉट अ पेन क्या तुम्हें पेन मिला मेरे को ऐसे ही समझ आ रहा है
क्योंकि आप ट्रांसलेशन मार रही हैं मैम, सिंपल
हाँ
सी बात है। मुझे एक चीज बताइए आप, मैं आपको एक चीज पूछ रहा हूँ, उसका मीनिंग बताइए। उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है कैच 22 का मतलब?
नहीं मालूम
नहीं पता है मैम। कैच 22 का मतलब होता है, कुछ तो आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा इसके जरिए। आपको क्या लगता है इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा?
मेरे को आइडिया नहीं हो रहा कैच
कैच 22
22
का किसी को भी अगर मैं पूछूंगा तो वो एक ही बार बोलेगा, एक ही बात बोलेगा वो कि 22 बार कैच पकड़ो, बराबर ना?
अच्छा वो हाँ
हाँ, पर इसका मतलब यहाँ पर वो नहीं है। इसका मतलब है ऐसी सिचुएशन in which we can't escape or we can't win even, neither escape nor win। आसमान से गिरा खजूर में अटका, उसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं कैच 22। लिटरली बात ये है सिंपल सी कि आपको ट्रांसलेशन मारना नहीं है। जहाँ पे आपने ट्रांसलेशन किया मतलब वहां पर खत्म हो गए अपन। इंग्लिश में कोई भी लैंग्वेज के अंदर ट्रांसलेशन नहीं करना। अभी हम लोग हिंदी उर्दू मराठी के अंदर हम लोग बोलते पता है जाते वक्त चलो मैं आता हूँ, करेक्ट?
Yes.
अब इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे चलो मैं आता हूँ?
Can I come?
हाँ, चलो मैं आता हूँ, ओके आई एम कमिंग। तो जहाँ पे
हाँ
आपने बोला ओके आई एम कमिंग, तो वहां पे सामने वाला बैठ जाएगा उधर, वो बोलेगा वो आ रहा है रुको। और जैसे आप अगले दिन आप पहुंचे तो आपका स्वागत करेगा चप्पल से वो। क्यों भाई? क्योंकि आपने जाते हुए कल झूठ बात करके गए थे कि ओके आई एम कमिंग। अरे हमारे इंडिया वाले झूठ बात करते हैं, जाते टाइम हम लोग बोलते ओके मैं आता, पर आते नहीं हम लोग। ऐसा लिटरली ट्रांसलेशन है, ट्रांसलेशन करना नहीं। गॉड का मतलब मैडम को सिर्फ इतना बताया कि गॉड का मतलब मिला होता है, पर जरूरी नहीं है। अब मैं आपको एक चीज सेंटेंस सुना रहा हूँ मैम। जिस तरह हैव है उस तरह गेट्स का भी मीनिंग कम से कम 7 से 8 मीनिंग इंग्लिश के अंदर गेट्स के होते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल ही गेट्स एंग्री, मतलब क्या होता है मैम इसका?
वो
ओके
गुस्से में।
ओके, आई गेट्स एंग्री मतलब क्या होता है इसका?
मैं गुस्सा हो गई
मैं गुस्सा होता हूँ। आई गेट्स एंग्री, ही गेट्स एंग्री, वो गुस्सा होता है। तो यहाँ पर गेट का मतलब आपने मिला क्यों नहीं बोला आपने यहाँ पर कि उसको गुस्सा मिला, रास्ते पे पड़ा हुआ था? बोलेंगे
नहीं
No.
क्योंकि वहां पर गेट का मीनिंग चेंज हो रहा है। इंग्लिश के अंदर एक एक वर्ड के बहुत बहुत सारे मीनिंग होते हैं। पॉइंट नंबर 1, आई टेल यू नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पेन। पेन का मतलब क्या होता है?
पेन
कलम।
अच्छा
पेन
हाँ
होती
कलम
है
और दर्द
नहीं,
पेन
वो पेन
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 क्या?
हाँ
पेन मीन्स व्हाट? लिखने वाला पेन,
हाँ
करेक्ट?
हाँ कलम
वही पेन का स्पेलिंग है, वही साउंड है, सब कुछ वही है। उसका मीनिंग दूसरा ये है पिग हाउस। द सेकंड मीनिंग ऑफ पेन इज व्हाट? पिग हाउस। इंग्लिश के अंदर होता क्या है टाइम पर दैट वी हैव मोर देन वन मीनिंग ऑफ वन वर्ड, मोर देन वन मीनिंग ऑफ वन वर्ड। इंग्लिश के अंदर एक एक वर्ड के दो दो मीनिंग भी होते हैं। नाउ आई टेल यू वन मोर थिंग, बॉम्ब। बॉम्ब मतलब है नहीं अपर चेमड़ा बॉम्ब होता है ना, सुतली बॉम्ब।
हाँ
बॉम्ब मतलब है बॉम्ब, करेक्ट? अनदर मीनिंग ऑफ बॉम्ब इज व्हाट? अब मैं बोल सकता हूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल मिस्टर उमेर हैज अ बॉम्ब। उमेर भाई के पास में बॉम्ब है, तो अभी क्लास छोड़ के भागना नहीं, बोला उसके पास बॉम्ब है। मीन्स व्हाट वी कैन से उमेर हैज अ बॉम्ब मीन्स व्हाट? उमेर हैज अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, दूसरा मीनिंग है उसका। अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप लोग हिंदी मराठी उर्दू बोलते हैं राइट, उसके अंदर आप लोग बोलते हैं ना आम के आम गुठलियों के दाम सुना रहेगा आप लोगों ने, है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो सच्ची के आम की बात होती है उधर,
No.
सच्ची की गुठली की बात होती है उधर।
नहीं.
अगर आपने वो किसी को बोलना, अरे यार मैं तो यार धोबी का कुत्ता घर का ना घाट का, तो सच में कुत्ता रहता है उधर?
No.
नहीं।
सच्ची में धोबी रहता है, सच्ची में उसका घाट रहता है?
हम्म,
तो मतलब सिर्फ बोलते हैं वैसा, पर उसका मीनिंग वैसे एग्जैक्टली निकलता नहीं है। तो उसी तरीके से गेट का मीनिंग जो है वो जरूरी नहीं है कि उसका मतलब होता है, गेट का मतलब मिलना होता है, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं। हाँ, अपने यहाँ पे टीचर्स लोग हैं थोड़े से को ढक्कन टाइप के, जिन्होंने बेचारों ने इसका मीनिंग पूरा चेंज करके बैठ गए, बट ऐसा नहीं है। ये देखो यहाँ पर है इसका। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू सी हियर इन अ शॉप देयर इज अ कन्वर्सेशन, डू यू सेल पोस्टकार्ड्स? क्या आप पोस्टकार्ड्स बेचते हैं? यस, बट वी हैवंट गॉट एनी एट द मोमेंट। पर हमारे पास में अभी कोई भी नहीं है, अभी फिलहाल में हमारे पास में कोई भी पोस्टकार्ड्स नहीं है, बट वी हैवंट गॉट एनी एट द मोमेंट। So what do you mean by this one? I haven't got any at the moment. And what the shit is this? Trying to connect. So, but we haven't got any at the moment. Now, what do you mean by this one? हमारे पास में अभी भी एक आधा कोई भी कार्ड्स वगैरह नहीं है। नेक्स्ट वन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम, उसकी जगह पे हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? आई हैव गॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम है। नेक्स्ट वन, कैन आई हैव अ वर्ड विथ यू, और कैन आई टॉक टू यू? I've got a problem, और सिंपल हम लोग बोल सकते हैं I have a problem और I've got a problem, मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम है। नेक्स्ट वन, I've got a cold, I've got a headache, I've got a cold, I've got a headache means what? I have cold, I have headache। उसकी जगह पे हम लोग बोल सकते हैं इनफॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में I've got a cold, I've got a headache। सिर्फ उसका एक अल्टरनेटिव पार्ट है, उसका वो जो हम लोग बोलते हैं उसका एक अल्टरनेटिव पार्ट है, बाकी और दूसरा कुछ भी इनके बीच में फर्क नहीं है। Can you please give me some sentence with haven't got? I haven't got, we haven't got, you haven't got,
I haven't got a
she
laptop.
I haven't got a laptop. Yes,
I haven't got a bike.
I haven't got a bike.
I haven't got any news.
I haven't got a news.
I haven't got an
Yeah.
email.
I haven't
Got an email.
I haven't
Yes.
got an idea. Hello.
make sentences please. I haven't got.
I haven't
I
got
haven't-
message yet.
Yes.
I haven't got
Very
any
good. I
message.
haven't got a message yet. Correct. मतलब मुझे अभी तक के मैसेज नहीं मिला है। I haven't got a message.
I haven't
haven't
got
got-
some
मेरे पास में
idea.
message. I haven't got an idea. मेरे पास में कोई आइडिया नहीं है, मेरे पास में कोई मैसेज नहीं है। Yes,
I haven't got dress.
correct.
I
haven't
haven't
got-
got an information.
I haven't got any information. मेरे पास में कोई information नहीं है। Next.
I haven't got any chance.
Very good. I haven't got any chance. Mr. Wajid, make sentences. Yes, ma'am.
I
haven't
haven't got
got a
any
shoes.
rupees.
Very good. I haven't got any rupees.
Sir, हम
Yeah.
सिर्फ I haven't any rupees ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं ना?
बोल सकते हैं।
Okay.
I don't have any money. We can say like this. Or I haven't got any money. Both are the same. What's wrong with this?
I haven't
shit.
planned.
I haven't
I
got a
haven't
plan.
planned to.
Very good. I don't have a plan. Or I haven't got a plan. Both are correct.
They
Yes,
I
haven't.
haven't.
They haven't got any discipline.
Correct. They haven't got any discipline.
I
Good.
haven't got a courier.
I haven't got a courier. Next.
I haven't got hear about it.
I haven't
Still,
got.
I haven't got previous videos.
They haven't
Correct.
got a confirmation.
We haven't got confirmation. Continue. I haven't got any mail from them.
We haven't got a ticket.
We haven't got a ticket. Can you please give me
I-
some sentence with it? He hasn't got, she hasn't got, it hasn't got. She hasn't got call from the
I
company yet.
haven't got deadline to submit
Correct. I haven't-
assignments.
Correct. I haven't got any deadline to submit the assignments. Continue.
We haven't got any work.
They haven't got any word. आमच्याकडे काय
He-
काम बिम नाही, आम्ही मोकळे बसलोय एक number.
He
Very good.
hasn't got a leave. He hasn't got a leave.
He hasn't got any knowledge about it.
He
Yeah,
hasn't got
continue.
He hasn't got a book.
He hasn't got a book. Don't know what's wrong with it. Yeah, continue, please. Continue.
She hasn't got a think about it.
She hasn't
I
got.
haven't got a gift from my father's side.
Very good. I haven't got any gift from my father's side.
He hasn't got any manners.
He hasn't got any manners. Very
He
good.
hasn't got a
Koi
bat.
Repeat, sir.
Again?
He hasn't got a bat.
He hasn't got a bag. Very good.
We haven't got any bus today.
We haven't got any bus today.
He
Good.
hasn't got a match confirmation.
Correct. Mr. Wajid, where are you?
He hasn't got any
Alright.
vehicle.
I've got a headache. I've got a
We-
problem. Can you please give me some sentence like this? I've got. He's got. She's got. I've got a problem. Have you got any solution? Yes. I've got many solutions. She's got a bungalow. He's got a car. Give me sentences, please. I've got.
She has got the clothes.
Yes. She's got a.
Clothes.
He has
Okay.
got
She's got clothes.
an increment.
Increment. Very good.
He has got a
Increment.
salary.
He's got salary.
I have.
All right. Shall I tell you?
got an appointment
I've got an appointment. Very good.
in the parlor.
In the parlor. I've got an appointment in the parlor. All right. Just before we go ahead, I would like to tell you a story now. Shall I tell you a story today?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
अरे गरीब लोग स्टोरी बोलूं मैं आप लोग को
Yes, sir.
हमारे
आवाज ही नहीं निकालते I'll tell you the story of an eagle once. There was a man. आप लोग गरीब कैसे मालूम है? आवाज से गरीब है, बाकी किसी चीज से नहीं. किडनी है ना आप लोग के पास दोनों भी?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो फिर गरीब नहीं. जो इंसान के पास में दुनिया में दोनों किडनी है वो गरीब रहता है क्या? बिल्कुल नहीं. आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे देखे रहेंगे, ओ गरीबाकडे लक्ष द्या, उसको बोलना कि गरीब नहीं है तू. क्यों नहीं है? दोनों किडनी है ना, तो उसके बाद गरीब नहीं रहता हूँ. राइट? हाँ, बेचा है तो फिर थोड़ा बहुत गरीब हो सकता है वो, वरना गरीब रहता नहीं कोई भी. So now my question is there to you. I'll be telling you a story over here. That story. Now, the story is very simple and the story is going to motivate you. I believe so. Once what happened, there was a man and the man was going through a street and he found there the car's tire got flat. उसके कार का टायर पंक्चर हो गया. He was quite nervous. However, he found the mechanic and he called the mechanic and the mechanic started repairing his car, started changing his car's flat tire. He was standing near the car only and he found there was a man. He was sitting against the hut. एक झोपड़ी के आगे बैठा हुआ था एक आदमी, बुढ़ा आदमी बैठा था. And he was, sniffing hookah. वो हुक्का पी रहा था वो बुढ़ा आदमी. And he saw there were some chickens and they were eating. And with their chickens, he found that there was an eagle baby. And the eagle baby was also there. And that eagle baby was eating too with the chickens. The man was completely amazed. And he was completely shocked after seeing that. He said, oh my God, eagle baby is there with the chickens? Unexpected, unbelievable, extraordinarily unbelievable. He said, he went to the man. Who? The old man. And he asked that old man, Gentlemen, may I know how this eagle baby is eating with the chickens? That old man said, I don't know much about it. He asked him, from where have you got this eagle baby? He said, once I was going in the jungle and I found that the eagle baby was completely collapsed. So what I did, I took it home, and what I did, I treated it well and started serving it. मैंने उसको घर पर लेकर आया. ईगल बेबी को मैंने जब देखा, कहाँ पर, जंगल में देखा, वो नीचे गिरा हुआ था, जख्मी था. मैंने उसको घर लेकर आया और मैंने उसको अच्छे से ट्रीट किया. उसको ठीक हुआ. And I had chickens to eat. So what I did, I put those eagle babies with the chickens. मैंने उनको chickens के साथ में रख दिया. And that eagle baby is now playing with the chickens, staying with the chickens, eating with the chickens, and doing everything with the chickens. So the man was completely shocked. How could it happen? He asked the man, can I take this eagle baby with me? The old man said, yes, no problem at all, you can take it. The man took the eagle baby to his house and he started well treated it. The man was completely shocked because he said that eagle को कभी आप लोगों ने जमीन पर देखा है क्या बैठा हुआ?
No.
सबके सब ऐसे चुप है जैसे कल ही देख कर आए उसको. कल ही खेल रहा था मेरे साथ में नीचे वो.
Yes, sir.
No.
You will never find an eagle on the land. Eagle आपको कभी भी जमीन पे नहीं दिखेगा. You find eagle only at the top high hills. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
High tall buildings only. On buildings, on top high hills, ऊंचाई पे रहता है, कभी नीचे नहीं आता है जल्दी से.
Yes.
The man was completely shocked. वो आदमी उसको देखने के बाद शॉक हो गया. And the man took that eagle baby to his house. वो अपने घर लेकर गया उसको. And treated well. अच्छे से उसको खिलाया पिलाया उसने. Every day that man used to do only one task. He used to take that eagle baby out of the cage and he used to put there on the table. And he used to talk to that eagle baby in his language. And he used to say, you are an eagle baby. You deserve to be flying high in the sky. You deserve to fly high in the sky. Go and fly high in the sky. You are an eagle baby. You deserve to fly high in the sky. Your identity is what? The high tall mountains and all. Go and fly high, Skandar. Go and fly high in the sky. The eagle baby used to get feared and used to shrink the wings of it. One day the man was completely frustrated. What he did, he took that eagle baby to the mountain on high hill. And he again requested that eagle baby that you are an eagle baby. You deserve to fly high in the sky. Please fly. Please fly. Please fly. And at the end, what that man did, he just fling it into the air, the eagle baby. And the eagle baby fell down and it was going downside. It was going downside into the abyss. खाई में गिर रहा था वो eagle baby. वो उड़ ही नहीं पा रहा था. वो खाई में गिर रहा था. And that eagle baby closed its eyes, shrunk the wings into the arms and was falling down. कुछ देर ही हुई थी. After a certain period of time, that eagle baby thought, अरे यार मैं अभी तक ये गिरा कैसे नहीं? चल थोड़ी सी आंख खोल के देखते कहाँ है नहीं. That eagle baby opened the eyes little bit and it found there the ground was so downside still. जो खाई थी, जो ground था, अभी भी काफी दूर था वो. Now let me tell you one more thing. Suppose if you don't know swimming and someone just pushes you into the swimming pool or someone pushes you into the river, what do?
Safe.
You save your life, correct?
Yes.
How?
With
You
swimming.
try there. You try there. You try there. Yes or no? You try there to swim. As we know well that you don't know swimming, but still you try there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The same thing that eagle baby did. The eagle baby tried to fly, tried, and after a certain period of time, the eagle baby was flying high in the sky. And it felt so amazing, so great that the eagle baby bowed down and thank the man. उसने उस आदमी को नजरें झुकाया, गर्दन झुकाया, उस आदमी को उसने थैंक यू बोला. किसने? ईगल बेबी ने. That you have showed me my value, you have showed me my identity. आपने मुझे मेरा आइडेंटिटी दिखाया. That what I am. I was living with the tiny little creature and that was chickens. मैं chickens के साथ में मैं जमीन पर दाना चुग रहा था. हालांकि मेरी जो कैपेबिलिटी थी, मेरी जो जगह थी वो आसमान पे थी और मैं जमीन पर दाना चुग रहा था. And that eagle that thanked the man and the man was quite happy at that time. So the moral of the story is what? I do believe all of you who are in my class, all of you are an eagle baby. You are eagle babies actually. And you are just not daring to fly. You could fly high in the sky, but you are not just daring it. आप लोग daring नहीं कर रहे हैं. I could see here some of the students are not making sentences. Why? I don't know. Please make sentences. Until and unless you try, you won't succeed. Until and unless you try, you won't swim. Until and unless you try, you won't fly. And until and unless you try, you won't make a sentence. And until and unless you try, you can't speak English. So simple. The motivation from this line, from this story is what? All of you are an eagle baby. आप सभी एक अपने एक ईगल बेबी हैं और आप लोगों का मकाम ऊपर है, आप लोग की जगह ऊपर है आसमान के अंदर. पर अभी आप लोग कहाँ पे घूम रहे हैं? गटर के अंदर घूम रहे हैं, इधर कभी रास्ते पे घूम रहे हैं, इधर जा उधर जा. सो प्लीज fly high in the sky. Getting it?
Yes.
So this is what exactly I do mean over here, that you deserve to fly high in the sky. Don't be like that eagle baby who was eating with the chickens. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Keep on. And you can fly. I do believe it. Because your success is my success. All right?
Yes.
Good. Keep on. Let's go for the next one. I don't know what's wrong with this Google Drive. Next one is what have to. What do you mean by have to? अब यहाँ पर एक have to word है एक नया जिसका एक अलग सा meaning है. Have to we are using when the situation means you must do something. Have to use होता है किसके लिए? Obligation के लिए. Obligation means what? Obligation means what? फर्ज, कर्तव्य.
First. Yes.
फर्ज के लिए. अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे किसी को बोलना है, आपको वहां पर जाना ही पड़ेगा, तो मैं क्या बोलूंगा उसको?
You have to go there.
Have to go there. आपको वहां
Have
पर
to go
जाना
there.
ही पड़ेगा. You have to go
Have
there.
to go there.
Correct. Have to we are using when something is compulsory, when something is necessary. जब कोई
Yes.
चीज बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत की होती है, मतलब वहां पे आपको जाना ही पड़ेगा, means we use there have to.
Yes.
जब कोई चीज कंपल्सरी रहेगी. Okay, so we use
Yes.
there the word have to. Have to is one word. ये एक word है have to. For example, the museum's not free. You have to pay $10 to go in. Museum free नहीं है. You have to pay $10 to go in. आपको $10 भरना ही पड़ेगा अगर आपको अंदर जाना है, तो नहीं तो सीधा घर पे जाने का. So you have to pay $10 to go in. Next, all students have to do it the exam. सब स्टूडेंट्स को एग्जाम देना ही पड़ेगा, नहीं दिया तो पास भी नहीं होंगे, एग्जाम का रिजल्ट भी नहीं मिलेगा. So all the students have to do the exam. All the students have to take the exam. Next one, I haven't got a car, so I have to walk to school every day. I have to walk to school every day. मुझे स्कूल चलकर ही जाना पड़ेगा. I have to walk to school every day because I don't have the car. Is that clear? So
Yes, sir.
have to. Can you please give me some sentence like this with have to? I have to, you have to, we have to, they have to.
You have to prepare for your exam.
I have to
Very
meet you.
good. You have to prepare for your exam. I have to meet you. मुझे आपको मिलना ही पड़ेगा अभी. Very good. ये तो रोहित का सेंटेंस था. आओ मला तुम्हाला भेटावंच लागेल.
नाही ना सर, कोणी नाही तसं भेटायला. काय आता?
नाही सगळं आहे आपल्याकडे.
काही नाही सर, सगळे पण ते नाहीये.
हा,
They
सगळे.
they have to meeting with principal.
They have to meet. They have to have the meeting with the principal.
We
They
have
have
to
to meet the meet.
we have to do hard work for success.
We have to do hard work for our success. Very good.
For
He
us.
has to take the stairs because lift is closed.
Very good. He has to take the stairs because the lift is
If you,
closed.
if you like to speak fluent English, you have to work hard on it.
Correct. You have to practice at home. आपको practice करना ही पड़ेगा. Mr. Wajid.
You have to work hard, then you will get the result.
Very good. एकदम बेस्ट सेंटेंस दूंगी आप लोगों को सबको. सबसे बेस्ट बहुत झटके में समझ में आएगा आप लोग को.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
You have to pay the fee. Continue. Continue.
Yes, sir.
Compulsory है ना? अरे make sentences यार. Make sentences. I have to go to college. मुझे college जाना ही पड़ेगा. Why Rohit? Because she is waiting for me.
We have to play soccer at 8 o'clock.
Very good. Very good. You have to take medicine on time. Otherwise you will die. Yes,
Yes.
Mr. Omer.
You have to wait for get fees.
Correct. You have to wait to get the fee. Shut up.
They have to walk in the society.
They have to walk in the society. Yes, ma'am. Make sentences, Mr. Wajid.
I have to spoke more and more.
I have to speak more and more.
They have to get the train.
They have to get the train. Ma'am,
They have to travel tomorrow.
they have to travel tomorrow.
You have to try for.
You have to try.
You have
You
to
have to
motivate the
exercise
people.
for
Very good.
healthy
They have to
Fitness.
buy home. They have to buy
Very
home.
good. You have to do exercise for fitness. You have to buy home. Yes,
I have to join this organization.
I have to join this organization. Good.
You have to turn mobile data for watching movie.
YouTube. Good.
They have to climb mountain.
They have to climb a mountain.
I have to win this battle.
I have to win the battle. करना ही पड़ेगा. करावंच लागेल.
You
He
have
has to.
I have to
She
learn
has
English.
to. I have to learn English.
He
Yes,
has to know.
I have to obey my teachers.
I have to obey my teachers.
He
Yes,
has to, he has to know before leave.
correct. Before leaving. He has to know before
Before leaving.
leaving.
I have to get trust of teacher.
Very good. रोहित आपले सेंटेन्स काढा जरा बाहेर.
We have to indicate before taking turn.
Correct. We have to indicate before taking the turn. Good. Mr. Wajid,
I have to go straight.
I have to go straight. Ma'am,
I have to keep maintain silence.
I have to maintain silence.
It has to fly in the sky.
It has to fly in the sky. उसको उड़ना ही पड़ेगा. Yes.
You have to talk confidently.
You have to speak confidently.
Speak confidently.
We have
Good.
to understand this.
We have to understand this.
Sir, you have to speak confidently. क्या बोलते हैं कॉन्फिडेंस दिखने के लिए टू
Be confident.
टू सी नहीं कॉन्फिडेंस दिखने के लिए कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलना ये है ऐसा
वही बोल रहा हूँ मेरे राजा, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. You have to speak confidently to be confident.
ओके
ये Google Drive क्या मर गया समझ में नहीं आ रहा मेरे, वो चल नहीं रहा है आज. Sorry for the inconvenience of the Google Docs team. See, sometimes Google also shows the bullshit part of it. I don't know what's wrong with it, but still, otherwise I would have written over here. Yes, continue, please. Yeah,
We have to manage.
we have to manage. Ma'am,
we have to plan before we do
we have to climb before we do.
I
Yes.
have to make mail draft.
Very good. Rohit,
we have to exercise
we have to do exercise.
I have to meet HR.
for being
I have to meet the HR. Good. Yes, continue.
I have to meet with my manager.
Very good. I have to meet the manager.
We have deployed project.
We have to deploy the projects.
I have to go for shopping before next lockdown.
Very good. I have to
They-
go shopping before the next lockdown.
I have to get new project.
I have to get the new projects.
They have to go by step by step.
They have to go step by step.
I have to learn. I have to read English newspaper daily.
I have to read English newspaper daily.
I have to ride for क्या
For
बोलते
her.
हैं? Feel happy.
क्या बोलते? Rayu, shut up. क्या बोलते?
Sir, I have to ride for feel. mm,
Feel proud.
no,
Feel
no problem.
amazing.
I
Yes.
have I have to speak in
mesmerizing.
English as much as.
As I have to speak in English as much as I can.
I have to solve the paper in 60 minutes.
Very good. I have to solve the paper in 60 minutes.
I
चलो,
have
बहुत
to
हुआ.
clear the exam.
I have to clear the exam.
We have to turn on switch for watching TV. To
Oh,
watching TV.
really? Oh my God, really?
I have to work on it.
I have to work on it. All right, let's go for the next chapter, and that's what go, went, gone. Chapter number 4, go, went, gone. We are going to have the next chapter. It is chapter number 2 for us, for vocabulary. Go, went, gone. What do you mean by go?
Jana.
Jana.
करेक्ट. बट अभी यहाँ पर गो का मतलब जाना नहीं होता है, बहुत सारे अलग अलग मीनिंग होते हैं गो के. ओके, जो हम लोग आज के लेक्चर में देखेंगे स्टार प्लस पे. चलो कंटिन्यू करते हैं. नाउ गो, वेंट, गॉन, वी हैव मल्टीपल मीनिंग्स ऑफ गो ओवर हियर. पॉइंट नंबर 1, गो मीन्स टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. सबसे सिंपल मीनिंग है गो का, एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस जाने को हम लोग बोलते हैं गो. बचपन से हम लोग को पता ही. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई गो टू वर्क बाय बाइक, माई ब्रदर गोज बाय कार. वाई माई ब्रदर गोज और आई गो? Rohit. I go to work by bike. My brother goes by car. Why goes? Goes क्यों लिखा है उसने वहाँ पर?
क्योंकि ब्रदर के बारे में बोल रहे हैं.
तो
Can I speak?
सेकंड पर्सन के बारे में बोल रहा है.
I is a plural or brother is a singular.
Very good, very good. Yes, ma'am. Repeat once again.
सेकंड पर्सन के बारे में बोला है ना.
Third person है वो. So, I, you, we, they. Verb plus no s, no es. Correct?
Right.
Simple present tense का rule है हमारा ही. He, she, it.
S.
Third person singular. Verb plus s or es. Yes or no?
Yes.
I go, you go, we go, they go. And he goes, she goes, it goes. Okay?
Yes.
Very good. So I
Yes,
go
sir.
to work by bike, my brother goes by car. Can you please give me some sentences with go? चलो जल्दी.
I go to my school.
Oh my God, really? इतना शरीफ सेंटेंस जुबैर भाई के पास से. Unbelievable. I go to my school.
I go to city.
I go to?
City.
Okay, I go to the city.
I go
Again,
to,
sharif sentence.
I go to the meet my friend.
I go to my
meet
office
my girlfriend.
by
Good.
my shuttle.
Very good. I go to my office by my car. Mr. Wajid, make sentences. Ma'am, Mr. Umair.
I go to restaurant.
I go to restaurants.
I go to eat some food.
I go to eat some food. Goes के साथ में ही बनाओ भाई, उसके साथ में झगड़े हुए क्या?
I go
I
to
He
the
goes,
mall.
she goes.
I go to join English class.
I go to join English class.
Go to join English for to learning to English learning.
To learn English.
To learn English.
Yes, go. Simple sentence चाहिए मुझे go के साथ में. Yes. I go to the museum every now and then. We go on a picnic every weekends. They go for a long drive. I go to Mumbai.
to
I
meet
go
my
to
Good. I
I
go
go
to
to my home. I go to my hometown. I go to hometown every weekend.
very good. I go to hometown every weekend. Yes. We
I
go to,
go-
they go to.
I go out every.
I go to college once in a week.
Very good. Very good.
I go
I go
out.
to, he go to village.
He
in a
goes
weekend.
to village. He
He
goes
goes
to
to
village at the weekends.
Week-
Yes.
They go to the
Hostel
hotel.
They go
They
to.
go in the hotel.
They go to hotels.
Hostelites
They go.
city every Saturday.
Very good. Yes, give me sentences. You go to, we go to, they go
I
to.
go to college once in a week.
Very good. I go to college once in a week. Yes.
I go to safe zone.
I go to the safe zone.
I go to the safe zone.
I go
We go to
to
travel somewhere.
I got to travel somewhere. आई की गचंडी छोड़ो भाई लोग, आई की गचंडी छोड़ो, बाकी और भी है ना, he, she, it, you, we, they.
He goes to
He goes,
country every Saturday.
Very good.
he goes to the pick up teammates.
She
Correct. He goes to
goes
pick up.
travel by tomorrow.
He goes to travel tomorrow.
we
Oh,
go
Peko
to
tomorrow.
we go to orphanage to spend time with children.
Very good. Children. We go to orphanage to spend time with children. Yes.
I go to the cycling.
I go cycling.
Oh, cycling.
तू नहीं आएगा वहाँ पर. Okay. We went to Paris last summer. Can you please give me some sentences with went? I went, we went, he went, she went, it went, you went, they went.
We went to Switzerland.
We went to Switzerland. Very good. फेंको रे सबसे की सब फेंको. कहाँ गए थे फेंको. Continue. I want to listen to you.
They went to Sydney.
They went to Sydney. Good.
I went to John.
Correct. I went to the John. Very nice.
I went to the buy Maggie.
Very good. Yes.
I
You went.
I went to
went
the mall.
to meet one of my friends.
Very good. I went to the mall. I went to meet one of my friends. Yes.
I went to Germany.
I went to Germany.
I went to out for have fun.
Dating. Okay. I went for out dating. Okay. For
He
fun.
went. Yeah, he went to Brazil.
We went to Brazil. Yes. She went to China.
She
I
went
went
to
to
China.
join
Kawajit,
swimming.
where are you? Good. She went to
to
meet
join
you.
swimming.
I went to join swimming. Yes.
We went to garage.
We went to marry.
No. We went to garage.
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 Yeah.
Garage.
Correct. Garage.
They went to attend
Garage.
and reception.
They went to attend the reception. Yes.
She went to kitty party.
Very good. Pheko bhai, pheko.
I went
We-
to Rush.
I went to Rush. Yeah.
I
Ma'am.
went to barber.
We,
I
we
went to the
went to we went to friend party.
We went to a friend's party. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
I went to what gun?
Very good. क्या है यार तुम लोग सेंटेंस बनाने नहीं दे रहे. Yes, ma'am.
बराबर.
सर ये go present के लिए यूज होता है ना. I go to
Correct.
और
Correct.
went मतलब
Past के लिए.
past के लिए और gone मतलब हो गया जो.
हाँ हो गया जो. वो perfect के लिए यूज होता है.
Perfect. He gone. She gone.
Past perfect के लिए यूज होता है gone.
करेक्ट. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट के लिए, पास्ट परफेक्ट के लिए, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट के लिए, सभी परफेक्ट टेंसेस के लिए थर्ड फॉर्म यूज होता है वर्ब का.
Okay.
वो अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, होने वाला है. वेंट के साथ में सेंटेंस बना जल्दी. वेंट. रोहित.
He went to meeting.
Yes.
He went to the meeting. I went to her yesterday.
He went to the park.
I went
Very
to
good.
drink water.
I went to drink. Oh, very
I
good.
went to
I
write
went
the
to-
hours.
Water.
Okay. नहीं water नहीं, मैं यकीन ही नहीं
I,
करता.
Water.
Very good. Very good.
नहीं water sir.
I
जुबैर भाई
went
को
to
मालूम है
horse.
आपके बारे में. Okay, I went for horse riding. Good. I went horse riding. Okay. Now future के साथ में सेंटेंस बनाना है हम लोगों को. See कितना भारी यूनिट है. इसके अंदर उन लोगों ने पहले क्या किया? First the sentence he has given for present. Second the sentence he has given for past. Third sentence he has given for future. मतलब उसने ये बताना चाहे हम लोगों को कि एड़े के ऐसा एक मिला तो उसके साथ में सेंटेंस बनाना चालू करना नहीं. Just try to make sentences in all the tenses. Present, past, future. Present, past, future. Okay?
Okay. sir.
Next.
Yes.
Shall we go to the swimming pool today? Can you please give me some sentence with future tense? I will go. You will go. Shall we go?
Shall
I
we
shall
go
go.
to Shall we go to the football match?
Okay,
Soccer
shall we
match.
go? Shall we go to the soccer match? Shall we go to the football match? Yeah.
सर shall we go और can we go, इसमें क्या
दोनों भी
फर्क?
अलग अलग है दोस्त. भी मैं आपको समझाने का पूरा कोशिश कर रहा था और उतने में देखो ये क्या हो गया इधर.
आह,
चल ही नहीं रहा. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद दिस.
हाँ.
चल गया चल.
Okay.
चला. रोहित का लक है यार. रोहित क्या हो रहा है? ये लोड हो रहा है अभी. रोहित
सर
कैसे लक है?
पहली बार कोई तो बोल रहा है
नहीं लकी है. रोहित इज रियली वेरी लकी. वो जुबैर भाई को मालूम है. जुबैर भाई ने देखा उस दिन. How many were they? 3 or 4. So shall we go to the swimming pool today? नहीं means what? Shall we go? क्या हम लोग जाएंगे क्या? क्या हम लोग जाने का क्या?
जाएंगे.
And can we go to the swimming pool means what? क्या हम लोग स्विमिंग पूल को जा सकते हैं क्या? आम्ही जाऊ शकतो का? आम्ही जाऊ का आणि जाऊ शकतो का दोघांमध्ये फरक आहे का नाही?
Yes, sir.
जाऊ का आणि जाऊ शकतो का? मराठी आता है मेरे को थोड़ा.
अच्छे से आता है सर.
अरे नाही यार. मला शिवाय नाही येत नाही मराठीमध्ये.
शिकवतो की सर, तुम्ही एवढं शिकवलं आम्हाला इंग्लिश.
जुबैर भाई सुना क्या? खतरनाक माणूस. अरे काय आपला लक राव. चाल ना. बाय द वे सिंपल सा मीनिंग है उसका. शैल वी गो टू द स्विमिंग पूल मतलब यानी हम लोग स्विमिंग पूल जाए क्या? एंड कैन वी गो टू स्विमिंग पूल हम लोग जा सकते हैं क्या? मी जाऊ का आणि जाऊ शकतो का? फक्त एवढंच. शकतो शक्यतासाठी आपण यूज करतो कॅन.
ओके.
या फॉर एक्झाम्पल सी आय विल ड्राइव्ह अ कार म्हणजे मी कार ड्राइव्ह करणार. करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
अँड आय कॅन ड्राइव्ह अ कार म्हणजे मी कार ड्राइव्ह करू शकतो. करू शकतो पण करत नाहीये मी. करू शकतो. ओके.
Okay, sir.
फॉर एक्झाम्पल आय विल स्पीक इंग्लिश. मी इंग्लिश बोलणार. अँड आय कॅन स्पीक इंग्लिश. मी इंग्लिश बोलू शकतो. फक्त एवढंच फरक आहे. दुसरं काही नाही.
आणि
Yes,
I
continue,
shall
please.
बोलतो.
Yeah.
I shall speak English.
मी बोलणार. आय शॅल स्पीक इंग्लिश. शॅल
Sir.
आणि विल दोन्ही पण सेम आहेत. सेम
Same
आहेत.
No sir,
I will-
shall when we will use shall or will.
Will. We use shall for I and we that we are going to see on this Wednesday. ये वेंसडे को अपना थर्ड टेंस है. याद से एब्सेंट रहने का पूरा आता है फिर.
Yes.
हाँ बोल रहे हैं. अरे यू रतलू खतलू बोले हाँ बोल रहे. देखो हाँ एब्सेंट
नहीं,
होगा.
नहीं.
एब्सेंट नहीं रहने का. ऑलरेडी आप लोग पिछले हफ्ते में बहुत सारे एब्सेंट रहे and the lectures went very horrible. Please don't be absent this week. This week onwards, okay? Don't be absent. I'll be
Yes,
teaching
sure.
you new tense on Wednesday, and that's what simple future tense. Now it's the time to say goodbye because already the time is there. 6 o'clock around over here. I have another batch. Really sorry for this one. And see, I hope you have understood whatever I've taught you today. Do you have any
Yes.
questions, any doubts regarding this one?
No, sir.
No.
Sir,
You can go. Yeah.
मुझे वो पूछना कि हम बोलते हैं we have to work. तो ऐसा हुआ कि तुम्हाला काम केलं पाहिजे, तर ऐसे कम बोलेंगे काम करायला पाहिजे होतं.
I had to work. We had to work. काम करायला पाहिजे होतं past मध्ये.
Past मध्ये. Okay.
Had to.
You had to work.
Correct. आता have चा past form काय आहे?
Had.
Simple. तोच.
Okay.
Have to चा काय असेल मग?
Had to.
Simple.
Okay.
Very good boy. All right.
Yes.
We'll see you tomorrow. Cheerio.
Yeah. Cheers.
Sayonara.
Bye.